Fabric beds are a stylish and comfortable option for any bedroom. There are many products available to choose fabric beds, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best fabric beds from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Furniture of America Vivian Modern Boucle Fabric Queen Size Platform Bed. The Vivian Queen Bed from Furniture of America is a stylish addition to any bedroom. Its chic design, featuring plush boucle fabric, offers a soft touch that enhances your comfort. The adjustable headboard lets you customize the height to suit your preference, ensuring a perfect fit for your sleeping style. With a solid construction that includes 4 central support legs, this bed provides exceptional stability and can hold up to 500 pounds. Plus, its straightforward assembly ensures you can enjoy your new bed without hassle, allowing for a quick setup and a cozy sleeping experience. Number 2. SHA Surlyn Queen Platform Bed Frame. The SHA Surlyn bed frame offers a timeless design that enhances your bedroom's aesthetic. Its soft, breathable fabric headboard is not only stylish but also provides comfort, making it perfect for leaning back while reading or relaxing. Built with sturdy metal support bars, this frame ensures durability and minimizes noise, allowing for a peaceful night's sleep. You won't need a box spring, as the well-constructed wooden slats support your mattress directly, extending its lifespan. This combination of features makes the bed frame a practical choice for any bedroom setup. Number 3. Alloy Queen Size Lift-Up Storage Bed. The Alloy Lift-Up Bed is perfect for maximizing space in your bedroom. Its lifting storage feature allows you to neatly tuck away extra bedding, clothes, and shoes, making it ideal for smaller rooms. You'll appreciate how easy it is to access your items thanks to the smooth gas lift mechanism. The elegant wingback headboard adds a touch of sophistication to your space, while the stylish design complements any decor. Plus, with solid wood slats, there's no need for a box spring, providing strong support for a restful night's sleep. Number 4. Zinus Curtis Upholstered Platform Bed Frame. The Zinus Curtis Upholstered Platform Bed Frame provides reliable support for your box spring and mattress, with solid steel construction, multiple legs, and a center support beam. It is durably designed with interior steel framework and dense foam padding, supporting up to 700 pounds. The durable wood slats eliminate the need for a box spring, and assembly is made easy with all parts, tools, and instructions included. Available in multiple sizes, this bed frame comes with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty. Number 5. King Platform Bed Frame 51.2-inch High Headboard Tall Upholstered Bed. Introducing the PapaJet King Bed Frame, a grand and glorious addition to your bedroom. With its 51.2-inch high headboard, you'll feel sheltered in cozy and refined comfort. The soft linen upholstery not only provides an elegant look, but is also inherently waterproof, making it easy to clean. This sturdy bed frame features solid wood legs and wood slats for stability and durability. The bolt-on rail design keeps your mattress from moving, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. Assembly is a breeze, taking only about 30 minutes with 2 people. Say goodbye to squeaky beds with a Velcro strip and EVA silent bar, designed to reduce friction and eliminate noise. Experience the luxury of the PapaJet King Bed Frame and enjoy a restful sleep like never before.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.